one action. Hi guys, it's me Sophie,
And it's me, Macy.
and we are doing a RP called School RP. So, yeah,
We're gonna cut it now.
wait lang, wala na. So I'm gonna say you something, guys. So please like and subscribe. So yeah, and we're gonna start it now. Let's go, go. OMG, let me go outside and call my friend later. Cause maybe outside, I'm gonna let her pick me up. So let me just give me my okay. Alright, let me just call her. Ring, ring, ring.
Hello?
Bestie?
Are you in the airport?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm coming.
pick
I'm
me up.
almost
Okay,
there.
bye. Okay, let me print her. Okay, bestie, maybe just put my back.
Okay, hurry up.
Pa, just
Will
sharing
you go to
with
school
me.
tomorrow?
Instead, I will go to the another day of school.
Oh, to the next day, you're gonna rest for 1 day.
Yeah. Is this, do you have your house?
Yeah, I have my house.
And, is it your house?
What?
Is this your house?
What?
Is this your house?
Yeah, this is my house.
It's so pretty, it's cute.
Thank you.
I will put them in the cage, okay?
Okay, what do you want for dinner?
I don't know, you can just make it. I'm
Do
just
you want bread? Only bread?
Yeah, I'm just gonna make a sandwich. Where's my room?
Wait. Your room is here. Oh,
Actually,
wait, this is my room. Forgot. Oh, this one.
where?
Is it okay? This one, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just
My
pack.
room's beside you. Let me just go to the bathroom and change my clothes.
Yeah, I'm gonna just unpack. Okay. OMG, I'm just move here. I hope this is a very good sound. Mhm. 1 hour later. Okay. I'm done with this one. Here is next.
Okay.
Okay, let me just unpack this bag, okay?
Okay, let me fix my hair. What style should I do? Like a braid?
No.
What about a simple?
Okay.
I want to do a simple look.
2 hours later.
I'm gonna do.
Okay, I'm just,
Oh, this one.
I'm just gonna change, okay?
No, this one. Oh, okay.
Just change, okay? And I
Wait,
think
I'm picking my hairstyle.
I'm gonna get my,
Okay.
I'm gonna go put this downstairs.
Okay, I'm just gonna make you a sandwich.
Okay. Where should I put this?
Yo, what?
Can I put it in your basement?
What will you put in my basement?
Here, this is your basement. Come here. I know what is this house. Let's go.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Let me
You
just,
mean my attic?
yeah, this is your attic. So I just put it here. I don't know if
Okay, I
you're
can go. Oh, it's
out
here.
and out. I'm gonna
Okay, let
change.
me make you a sandwich.
Okay, I'm just gonna change. 1 minute later. I'm alright. I'm done. Well, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. And can I'm just gonna get the water later in your fridge.
Oh my god, there's the SCP truck here. Oh my god,
Alright, I'm taking the last bite and I'm
Daryl, come here.
okay.
You order pizza?
It's not me. I'm eating my sandwich.
Oh the hell? The who? What
Okay.
is this?
I don't know. Just drink water.
Bro got the wrong location. It's okay. Let's little kapang school.
Okay, I'm here.
Bestie, wait, I'm gonna go to school.
But what? It's school time. I didn't even sleep.
Of course, I know go.
Okay, gonna sleep.
Say
Not
something.
like bestie. Like,
We have
wait.
fixed here.
Okay. Let me just close my lights. And
Bye.
at 5 a.m. Oh,
Um,
just put it in.
okay, bye. Bye
Right.
bye. Bye bye. Going. Oh, wait.
Hello, bestie.
Bye. Don't let anyone rob my house.
Okay. Just like, I'm just gonna sleep. Oh, who is calling me?
Ring
Bestie.
ring.
No.
Ring 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 ring.
OMG. Hello.
Okay, did I give you my keys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna buy Starbucks. Bye.
God.
Okay, now please get one frappuccino.
Oh, dang. It's my
What?
alarm. Oh,
What?
okay. That's a little surprising, but I need to wake up. Let me just change. Let me just take a shower. Really wrong way. I think this sound okay, but I am then trying to just change. Oh, I got changed. I'm just gonna take this. Alright. I'll just wash my hands and wash now. Just wash my hands. So out of finger. Okay, I'm done. Um, let me just call my bestie. Let me just get my phone. Kinalang, kinalang, kinalang.
Ignore.
Bruh, she's ignoring me. That's it. I'm gonna check her location. Okay, time to check her location. It looks like she's on school. I'm gonna go there. And it's gonna be exhausting. My god. Good thing I haven't walked. Because I didn't walk for years and I didn't touch grass for years. Who cares? It says she is still in Brookhaven School. Golden, I have a location up for her. Oh no, this hobby car. Okay. Let me just go there. There. What is this? That's not the What is it? Bestie.
You can't just walk in my classroom like that. You don't see the teacher taking a class, and why would you come in the middle of a
Teacher,
class?
can you Blair go to the restroom for a knock? Come on, Blair, go.
Oh my god.
Your wolf, you didn't answer my calls.
Of course, because I have an exam.
Oh, bro, you just walked me here. Who cares?
Bro, it's so dumb.
Come, please go back there.
Okay,
Time to go. Pati pati. Pati pati. Okay, I'm finally home. Alright, I close it now. This is a long day of like traveling in town. Maybe should I go out? Let me see where I can go with the end of my bestie. Let me see here. Okay. Ooh. Who is calling me? Hello,
ring.
bestie?
Hello. I
What?
am late from school.
Okay, and
Nothing. I just wanted to annoy you.
okay, bye.
By the way, I'm almost home.
Okay, bye. He is real. Oh, okay. Let me just this out. Hmm. Bestie,
Best Bestie AFK. Okay,
bestie,
I'm just gonna change my clothes.
bestie, can we go out?
No. Wait, I'm just gonna change my clothes.
There, she doesn't know I booked something for her. Bestie?
I'm changing my clothes. Privacy, please.
Okay. Okay. I feel bad. Okay.
Okay, Bestie. I'm gonna order some pizza.
I want you to change her.
I'm ordering pizza.
Okay, guys, stay tuned for part 2.